AS, that is Lab India AS AA8000. This instrument is usually used in analysis of toxic metals and all heavy metals. This instrument consists of versatile and high performance so that it has an application in various fields such as environment, soil, metal, mining, pharmaceutical and clinical applications. Our instrument comes in three configurations, that is flame, integrated graphite and flame, and only graphite. In flame we have three systems, that is air acetylene, air nitrous oxide and air LPG option. In integrated graphite and flame, and graphite system, we can switch the systems with the help of software to match the optical path. In graphite system, we have universal auto sampler which can be used for both flame and graphite. The burner can be adjusted by position and height with the help of software. In only graphite system, the graphite system is directly placed into the optical path. Now coming to our instrument is true double beam spectrophotometer with sealed and vibration free optical system. Describing this instrument in three different parts, that is source, sample introduction system and detector. First, coming to the source, we have 8 lamp turret where we can attach our cathode lamps. Our cathode lamps are coded lamps and they have inbuilt power supply. Their sensing and optimization can be done directly through software. Coming to sample introduction system, we have three parts, that is nebulizer, spray chamber and burner. Our nebulizer is totally inert nebulizer with fully adjustable from 2 ml to 6 ml and it is resistant to all acids including HF. Spray chamber is made up of non-corrosive material and it is resistant to all acids. Our burner is made up of 100% titanium and we supply three burners for air acetylene, for air nitrous oxide and air LPG. For air acetylene it is 100 mm, for air nitrous oxide it is 15 mm and for air LPG it comes with 3 slot burner. These all burners are coded burners, so it can be identified by the software directly. Coming to the detector, we have Cerny-Turner type of monochromator which has a holographic rating of 1800 lines per mm and it has a focal length of 330 mm. And we have a detector, that is PMT, photomultiplier tube, which has a wider range, wavelength range covering up to 185 nanometer to 915 nanometer. This all system is automated and can be controlled through software. We have an hydrate accessory, that is hydrate generator with continuous flow used for metal forming hydrides. This hydrate system consists of GLC, that is gas liquid separator, through which these vapors go from this tubing towards the quartz tube. The quartz tube is mounted on a stand which supports the quartz tube. Now I will show you a short demo how our auto ignition flame system works with the help of software. You have to just click a button fire in the software and your auto ignition system will start. We will click this button. As soon as we click the button, we see the igniter coming out and starting the flame. Adding to the safety feature, we have a shield which protects your eyes from direct flame. Another safety feature such as mass flow controller is in the instrument, which is fully automatic software operated. Total gas flow control system to maintain gas flow ratio at set levels even when subjected to outside variation like nebulizer adjustment. We have other safety features such as burner identification, flame sensor, gas leak sensor, low gas pressure sensor, drain trap sensor, power loss protection, circulation water for graphite and over temperature sensor for graphite. Thank you for your patient listening.